So now in this video we're going to look at the N-channel enhancement mode MOSFET. So these MOSFETs are simple components, they're transistors, they make great switches for the most part. So we got the 2N7000 in the T192 package. Left pin is the source, middle pin is the gate, right pin is the drain. We turn the flat side to the right here, so we got source at the bottom, gate in the middle, and drain at the top, as you can see there. So we are going to give it a voltage first. We'll end up giving it stray voltages. This is a good demonstration. You can see we got a little glow there. This is kind of like a capacitor, builds up or releases a charge for the most part. And so we can give it false signals when I let go. Maybe it'll be more positive, maybe more negative, maybe more on, more off, whatever. So it can store charge for a while. It doesn't depend on current to be on, like the bipolar junction transistor. So we're going to give it a full 5 volts, and it's definitely on, as you can see on the schematic there. So it's N channel. The channel wants to be more N, more negatively charged basically, to conduct better. And so it's kind of like a capacitor. We make the gate more positive, that makes the channel more negative, and it conducts better. Now we're going to turn it off there by connecting to ground. So ground is more negative. We move the switch there, and that makes the channel more positive. And so since it's N channel, it wants to be more negative conduct. Making it more positive cuts off that conduction, and you can see the LED is off completely. So the chemistry is a bit more complex than what I explained, but the basic property of turning it on and off is that simple. So hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I posted to the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.